What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So we have a new hotfix update rolling out for OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 8T and OnePlus 9R, which brings fixes to battery drain on previous update. So let's find out what fix OnePlus have done to overcome the battery issue on previous version of OxygenOS 12. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have our OnePlus 8, which is currently running on the latest build of OxygenOS. So here you can see Android version is Android 12. We still have 5th March 2022 security patch. It's almost end of April and we still have March security patch. And version you can see here is C.16. Previous version was C.15 for OnePlus 8 series. And guys, there have been a lot of confusions related to OxygenOS 12.1 or it's OxygenOS 12 because most of the Telegram groups where we get to see updates related to OnePlus smartphones, they have mentioned it's OxygenOS 12.1, but on our devices it only says OxygenOS 12. Once I get proper information about it, I'll share with you guys in the pinned comment. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And guys, for the installation process, I have mentioned in the description below. If you guys haven't received the OT update, download the files from the description and perform a local upgrade. Though it was a very minor update where you can see it says optimizations have been done related to power consumption, which can improve battery life performance, and the update size is only 80 MB. So guys, if you haven't watched a previous video of battery drain issues on OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R, you can watch the video which is being displayed on the screen. There was an application which was draining a lot of battery and that was Quick Device Connect. But now, from the time I have installed this update, I don't see that application here in the battery section. But if you guys are still facing issues with a lot of battery drain issues on your devices after this update also, then just watch this video which is being displayed on the screen. That will help you fix all your battery issues related to Quick Device Connect. Still, I'll be testing out battery backup thoroughly and I'll update you guys on the Telegram group with the screenshots of screen on time what I have been getting. So you can join our Telegram group to keep yourself updated. And there was a bug on the previous update which was related to Qualcomm Voice Assist, wherein after installing the previous build, we used to see a notification of Qualcomm Voice Assist. And there was only fix to disable notifications from the app settings, or you can say app management. But now you can see notifications have been allowed and we don't have any issues related to the notification which was appearing in the notification panel. So I feel this fix have been included in this update. And guys, on a review video of OxygenOS C.15, I did mention there was an issue with YouTube that YouTube automatically resumes after even pausing the video. So guys, this is not an issue with OnePlus smartphones. I guess this is an issue with Google's Android 12, or you can say YouTube application, because I cross-checked with many of my friends. Some of them have Google Pixel devices and on their devices also this issue is present. We'll wait for few more updates of Google application, or you can say newer build of Android 12. In future, we might get to see a fix of the same. Talking about benchmark results, here with single core, our device has scored 899 and with multi-core device scored 3052. Slightly lower benchmark results compared to previous build. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 6,56,971. On the previous update, scores were 6,64,584. And I also noticed bit of throttling issues on this latest build, wherein max CPU throttled up to 79%. On the previous update, there were no throttling issues and benchmark results were also pretty high, and the reason might be OnePlus have done few optimizations to increase the battery life, which did affect the performance of the device. So guys, there's nothing much to cover in this video because it was a very minor update, and this video was just to keep you guys updated about the hotfix update for OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.